the meat, very important. Not too fat or fatty. Go to the grocery store. You can read the label. 90-10 if you want it lean. 85-15 is the perfect blend. And what we want to do is we're going to season it with salt. We're going to season it with pepper. And Rachel, what I usually do, and that band stuff.
The essence.
Oh, yeah, that's the band stuff.
The essence. Boom.
That's right. And then, again.
Let me grate the garlic.
Yeah, I learned this trick right here in Rachel's show. But here's the thing.
Mix, but don't overmix, right? You don't want to tough burger.
You don't want to overmix. People go in there. It's like, what did it do to you? It's like, relax. We're going to make a blue cheeseburger. Okay?
Nice.
Look at that.
Aren't they cute?
And they wrapped it.
And you individually wrapped them.
So.
Now, out of this meat, guys, I am making 8 thin patties for Emeril to make 4 burgers so that you could put the 2 teeny patties together with the cheesy patty in the middle. But this is a good tip. When you're making patties, score the meat first so all your patties are the same size. Otherwise, you end up with 3 big ones, 1 small one, rip it apart,
Bingo!
make a Frankenburger, right?
Okay, so you get the 2 patties.
I love patties.
Look at this. Then you get the size of the patty like that with the blue cheese.
You want me to cook them together?
Oh, yeah. Then they get together.
Oh!
Okay?
It's like...
And now we play hide the blue cheese.
Yeah.
So now you get a hot skillet, preferably non-stick. Cast iron would be great. And you're going to put the burger in there.
Beauties.
Now.
Beautimus.
I'm feeling a little cheesy. So as the patties begin, you see the blue cheese is starting to melt in there from both sides. Just flip it once. Oh, this is another pet peeve that I have. Oh, yeah. These people that cook these burger patties, right? They constantly have got the spatula and they keep turning it over, pressing, turn it over, pressing again, pressing.
Just let the burger
Leave the meat alone! You know what I'm saying, Rach?
Yes, I know what you're saying, Em.
If you want extra cheese...
Oh, Yes!
Yeah! We are going to take the green peppercorn...
Oh, you got some more there, okay.
We're going to take the green peppercorn mayonnaise.
Yum.
And we're going to put a little bit of that there so we got a little bit of spice.
Gotcha.
So, you like tomato?
I love tomato.
Okay.
And you're a hot tomato.
Oh, thank you. So, you like...
I like onion.
I like onion, too.
I like onion. Onions.
Yep.
You want some lettuce so we don't have to make a salad?
Yeah, let's do that.
No need for a salad.
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep. Now.
Yeah.
What about this? It's naked.
Oh,
okay?
No.
Now we're going to start doing that. While you're doing that.
Yeah.
While you're doing that, Rach.
Yeah.
Here I come.
Oh, incoming.
Incoming.
Oh. Crazy. Oh. I love tater tots.
I do too.